everyone, it's Mr. Starling here, and I'm here to present our Golden Ticket Assembly for this week. Today is Friday, the 7th of February, and let's see who's been amazing in school this week. We start this week in Year 2, because they've asked me if they could go first. And it's Mrs. Cook's class that she shares with Miss Hubble. This child has been working hard in class, especially in maths. They have always read at home and have fantastic attendance. They listen well on the carpet and suggest great ideas in our lessons. They have also made a brilliant vehicle in DT. Well done to... It's Zane. Well done, Zane. What a picture there. You look like you're loving school there. And every time we see you around school, we know that you do, because you've always got a big smile on your face. So well done for all your excellent work. We're moving on to Mrs. Bloom's class. This pupil has been working hard all year, reading at home every day, always doing spellings, and brings everything needed to school, which is very important. We have a lot of people still who forget some items, so well done for remembering those things. This child has been really good at home too. Well done to our winner this week, who is Samantha. Sammy, well done, Sammy. I see you around school a lot. You're always smiling at me, always talking to me about what you've been doing, so well done. I know your sister in Year 5 is going to be really proud of you too, so well done for that. We then go to nursery, Miss Keenan's class. This week's golden ticket winner is someone who has settled really well into nursery. This child only started at the beginning of this term, but they have done a super job of following our nursery rules. They are always playing safely and they are kind to others. Oh, that's lovely. Well done to Hannah. It's a lovely picture, Hannah. You doing your letter sounds. Really well done. There's so many lovely things there been written about you. Made a great start. Next up, it's Miss Batcher's class. This child has settled into a new school brilliantly, is polite and always follows the school rules whilst trying hard at whatever task is given. This pupil has shown natural skill in phonics and is brilliant at reading and sounding out CVC words. Well done to this week's golden ticket winner, who is Isabel. Well done, Isabel. Brilliant. So many good things you're doing there, particularly learning about your phonics and your reading and everything. So well done. On to our next class, who is Mr. Ackerman's. This child has impressed us with their partner work recently in phonics. They have been working hard in daily phonics lessons and have been reading lots at home. Keep up the excellent work. They start the school day off with a smile on their face and they leave still smiling. That's lovely, isn't it? This week's Sharp Class Golden Ticket winner is Ruben. What a lovely picture there. I can see you're smiling there, Ruben, as we read here. You've always got a smile on your face, and that's lovely. But you put everyone else in a good mood. And that's what we really like to be feeling in school, that positivity. So well done. Moving on to Miss Rogers' class. This child has been trying extremely hard with writing and English, is always showing great sitting and listening skills during carpet time, and is a lovely friend to everyone in our class. This pupil always comes into the classroom with a smile too. Keep up the great work. Well done to Goda. Well done, Goda. Again, it just seems to be that you're giving so much positive energy to your classroom. That's lovely that you're being so good in all lessons. Well done, keep it up. And then we move on to Miss Ruddock's class. This week's golden winner has started to show much more confidence in class by putting their hand up more to answer questions. Well done. They are showing brilliant motivation with their writing and are really starting to build up their stamina with this. They are always kind and helpful in the class. Well done to Annabelle. Well done, Annabelle. Oh, got a golden pencil as well, showing that you must be doing some lovely writing. Well done, Annabelle. Again, so many brilliant things been written there about you. And another smile. Got so many smiles today. Well done. Then we move on to the SRB with Mr. Hardman. This week's winner has been working really hard on their phonics. They've learned a great number of sounds this term, and this has helped them with their reading. The other thing that has helped is the great amount of reading at home they do. Well done for reading at home. Everyone should be reading at home. They are also kind and helpful in the classroom. So many lovely things to hear about. Luke. Well done, Luke. Made a great start in SRB and you're doing so well. So keep up all the good work. Well done. What a fantastic week, everyone. Again, it's been a bit cold, but well done. There's been a lot of sniffles and colds. We've seen so many people pushing themselves to come in, even with those colds and coughs as well. So well done. Okay, moving on to the weekend. What can you do? Can you tidy up after yourself? Everybody could do with doing that. I could probably do with doing that a bit more at home. So tidying up after yourself. And I think I should probably tidy up my office as well. Wrap up warm still. It's still going to be cold this weekend. Yes, it's getting a bit lighter, but it's still a bit cold. So keep wrapping up warm. Why not draw a picture of something? Look out of your window. If you're saying you're bored, and occasionally you hear children say they're bored, occasionally my children say they're bored. And so if they're bored, if you're feeling bored, draw a picture, bring it to school, show your teacher. Have a great weekend, everyone. Bye-bye now.